Hello guys, I was just doing a project, and in that project I was attaching this chain sprocket with this wheel. And so I hacked a technique, and the problem was occurring because, as you can see, there are a lot of nuts here, and I had to tighten them, but I didn't know how to tighten them equally, because you have to align this chain sprocket so that the chain doesn't go off. So as you can see, now I have done it, and the chain sprocket is equally aligned. It does not move here and there, it moves in a straight line. So I'm gonna tell you how to do this. First of all, I'll tell you that you should attach these nuts, so that if you don't attach these nuts, this can go up or down. This rod can go up and down, and it will ruin your this what do you say it? I think die. This will ruin your die. So the technique is that I'll use a uh, easy wipe marker. This is not permanent marker, and so I'll move this tire fast, and at a maximum distance. Now I'll move this marker close so that I can get. Okay, so now you can see this is equally aligned, and the marker does not mark any markings here. Now I'll move more close, more close, more close. Okay, so you can see that we have got an equally spaced line here. It's all on the entire sprocket. This marker has marked the entire sprocket, which means that it is equally aligned. So yeah, you can judge that if it is not equally aligned, the marker will mark unequal lines, and so you can tighten these nuts. For example, if this sprocket was moving, and there was a line here to here, so I would tighten these nuts, this. If there was a line from here, I would tighten these four nuts equally, and then I'll move my tire, and then again I'll put this marker, which is not permanent, so that I can remove the markings again. So that was a quick fix here. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.